In this video, you'll learn how to create an automation sequence in Mailchimp. This guide is tailored for beginners and will walk you through each step in the process. First, navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the main dashboard where various features are accessible. Next, locate and click on the automations option found in the left-hand menu. This will take you to the automation setup screen where you can begin creating your automation sequence. After that, click on the button labeled Build from Scratch. This option will allow you to create a new automation without using existing templates, giving you full control over your setup. Once this appears, you will see the flow details section. Click on the corresponding button to access the area where you can configure the specifics of your automation flow. Now, type in a name for your flow in the provided text box. Naming your flow helps in organizing your automations and makes it easier to identify them later. Then click on the Choose a Trigger option to select the event that will initiate your automation. This step is crucial as it defines what action will start the automation sequence. Next, click on the option that says Signs Up for Email. This trigger is typically used when you want to automate responses for new subscribers. Once you've selected the trigger, click on Close to finalize your selection. This action will save your trigger choice and bring you back to the main flow configuration. After that, click on Send Email to set up the email that will be sent automatically when the trigger occurs. This step is essential for establishing communication with your subscribers. Now click on To and From to configure the sender's email address and the name that will appear in the recipient's inboxes. Ensure that this information is accurate to maintain a professional appearance. Following this, click on Subject to enter the subject line for your automated email. Crafting a compelling subject line is important as it influences the open rate of your email. Next, click on Schedule to determine when your automated email will be sent. You can choose to send it immediately or select a specific date and time. Then click on Tracking to enable tracking options for your email. This feature allows you to monitor the performance of your automated emails and analyze their effectiveness. Finally, click on Close to complete the setup of your automation sequence. This action will save all your configurations and you can return to the main dashboard to view your newly created automation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.